gonna look at the Worx 20 volts power share. This is a 3-in-1. This is a trimmer, an edger, and a mini mower. So here's everything that comes in the box. You can see the 2 batteries, and you have the charger right there. You see it's a 20 volt battery. It comes with 2 of these. Again, the price on this is about the price on this I paid $122 for this. Okay, so you have the battery charger. You have 2 extra cords right there, and you can just put these in there. So while you mowing, it's right there in case in case you run out, you just kind of pull this out. You can refret this, put some more in there. This goes in there. Easy to take apart. You just kind of pull this out, just remove the cord. To put it back in, you just thread it through, push it in, and just back in. You lock it in place, and that's basically it. It can telescope. Again, you can telescope. And have a kind of like a spring action in it too. So you can open this up where you want this. Now the only thing you have to do to mount this up, you need a screwdriver, and there's a screw right there. You just want to loosen that, and you're gonna take this, put this in place. You can hear it lock in place, and you screw it down, and here we go. The cord, you can see the cord has a cutter right there. So when you give in the cord, it'll cut it to the right length. You have quite a large area, 12 inches. You can telescope, like I said. This here, you can move it to wherever you want, so you can just unlock it. You can see it has a locking mechanism right here, and you can move this to whatever angle that's best suit you. And when you have the angle, you lock it in place. Telescope, lock it in place also. The handle here, press, and you can bring it wherever you want and lock it in place. And this right here is for you to, while the machine is working, you can actually give it cord right here, so you don't have to be knocking it like the gas ones. You have your battery. Your battery goes at the bottom, just like that, and you can see it cut it right to the right length, so you're good to go. And that's it. That's basically it, guys. And for me, I'm a tall guy, so I'm gonna telescope it out. So this is a good length for me. And looks like out of the box, it takes like about 2 minutes to put together. And that's it. That's basically it. No gas, no electric, $122. I also have the blower here. I bought the blower. The blower was $62. It didn't come with a battery, but we'll look at that some other time. It's just a blower. This is a guide here for if you have walls and flowers and trees that you don't want to heat. You can have that there. So when you heat it, you can stop it right there. Kind of like a stopper. So it also comes with the wheel you can use for when you're mowing or when you're edging. Here, there's a small clip right here. You can clip it in place. So right now, this is the lawnmower mode. You can put the wheels in different locations. So this here, so you'll be cutting like this, back and forth. Or remove the wheel and put it this way, and now it becomes the weed eater mode. So you go this way, like that. Again, you can remove it, and you can put it up here, and now you have it in the edger mode. We're gonna do some mowing, so we're gonna go back into the lawnmower mode. Just take your foot, hold it down, get it to where you want it, and then we can just lock it in place, and let's go do some lawn mowing. The battery is actually dead, but I just couldn't wait to try this. Definitely doing a really good job. It's fast. I'm gonna go ahead and take out the wheel on there. I have some veggie right here, so I'm gonna bring out the protector. So definitely I am totally surprised that with almost no battery it has done all this. I'm gonna recharge the battery and I'm thinking that it should work a lot better, but so far I like what I'm seeing, so I'm definitely gonna order some batteries for it. Actually it's about a week later. I did go ahead and upgrade the battery, so that's the battery that came with the 2.0. The last time we used it here, actually when I just got the machine and it wasn't charged, but I could tell that it was going to die pretty quick. So I went ahead and I got these. These are not the same brand, but these work. I'll leave the link for you guys down below. And these are 7.0, 20 volts. So far I've used these at the front, done a great job. So that's why I have it here right now. So now I have 4 batteries. I got a pack of 2 batteries and a double charger. That cost me about $80, I think, or 80-ish dollars, probably a little more than that. So definitely I am hoping that it can do all this, but at least now I have extra battery. That's the only thing right now I'm not liking about the machine. The machine is doing good. When the battery is charged, I mean, it does a great job. Here we go. I did also order some string for it too that haven't come yet, so.
Gotta focus on yourself, on your faith, on your dreams, on your mind, on your health, yeah. You gotta work, never tell, keep your head down, find what you love and excel, yeah. Push and pull and repel any hate, go create what you want, feel compelled, yeah. Now once you finally get a taste of the race, you'll never look back once you felt that. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first.
So guys, we just finished the ad and we did it on 1 battery and we still have life, so that's pretty good. Pretty good. Like I said, if you just trim in your lawn, it will go a long way. If you're cutting tall grass, then you might have to change battery, especially if the whole yard is tall. But definitely if you just trim in 1 week, a week and a half growth, you're good to go. Definitely this is a good deal so far. I'm liking this, guys. So I will leave the link for you guys where I got this. $122, the double battery, the 7.0 battery. They were, I think it was like about 80 something dollars for the 2 batteries and the charger. The blower was like about $62. So yeah, and it's a nice Sunday and early in the morning. I'm not waking up my neighbors with, like a gas mower or weed eater. Nice and silent, so it's pretty good. Guys, this is Charlie. I'm out.